These are the 5 facts you need to know about grill pans. Brought to you by EasyVidWiki. Fact number 1. Grill pans are pleasantly versatile tools. They can be used on most grills, easily standing up to the heat produced by a bed of hot coals or gas burners. They can also be used in place of a grill, cooking food that will have much the same flavor as though it were prepared over a flame. Fact number 2. With a good grill pan, poor weather, the cold, or simply the lack of an outdoor grill is no longer an obstacle. Of course, you can always feel free to use one on an actual grill. They're ideal for foods too small for the grill's grate, such as pearl onions, tri-tip chunks, or garlic cloves. Wiki.easyvid.com is the world's video wiki. Go there to see the most recently updated list of the best grill pans. Or click the link beneath this video. Fact number 3. Most of these pans have a series of thick ridges along their bottom. These help to keep cooking meats up off the bottom surface of the pan. This prevents the entire surface of a fillet from searing while still providing close proximity to heat. These thick ridges also impart the sear marks that you expect from grilled foods. Fact number 4. All grill pans worth your consideration will also have a thick, sturdy handle. Some can help keep your hand away from the heat source. This allows you to maneuver the pan as needed. Some handles are rather short and tend to heat up quickly, potentially necessitating the use of gloves. These shorter handles make the pan easier to fit into a hot oven, which is ideal for many recipes. Fact number 5. The best way to clean these pans is by soaking them in soapy water as soon as possible after usage. If you can't submerge a pan in water, at least pour an inch or so of water mixed with dish detergent into it. Just be mindful of the steam and spattering hot water that might rise up with the initial pour. See the most recently updated list of the best grill pans you can find. Go to EasyVidWiki. Or click beneath this video.